I apologize for the noise in the background. My oven is preheating. I'm making a recipe from Edith Bunker's All in the Family Cookbook from 1971. This was given to my mother as a gift because everyone said that she reminded them of Edith Bunker, and also because on one of the pages is a recipe for sauerkraut pierogi, and my mother always made homemade pierogies for us. Today we are making the fruit cocktail muffins. It says fruit muffins. With one simple can of fruit cocktail, you can make muffins come out so pretty. All the colors of the rainbow in them. The kids tell me to use dried natural fruits, but that runs up your muffin budget. Besides which, you've got all that chopping and dicing to do. So I think I'll just stick with the handy canned fruit cocktail that somebody else already chopped up for you. These are the ingredients we're using. 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, a 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 egg, 3/4 cup milk, and 1 cup well-drained canned fruit cocktail. And I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Grandpa likes to bake, so he's going to help me make the muffins.
Right now, I'm going to pour 2 cups of flour into the bowl, followed by my 1/4 cup of sugar, followed by 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix up these ingredients so they're incorporated into the flour. Next, be adding melted butter, the egg, three-quarters a cup of milk. We're using coconut milk instead of regular milk. We think it'll have a nice flavor with the fruit. The batter is thick, so I'm switching to a spoon now so then I can fold in the fruit cocktail. Folding the fruit into the batter. It's a very simple recipe, very simple to make. Now I'm going to be filling up my muffin tins. Take a big scoop with my spoon. I'll be filling it up about 3/4 of the way. I filled up my muffin pan, which makes 12 muffins. Now we're ready to put it, do a little tapping to get a little settlement, and put it into the oven to bake. Muffins are done. They've been baking for 25 minutes. Now I'm going to let them cool for 5 minutes in the tray on top of the stove before I take them out.
The muffins came out nice, and Grandpa, you have to put a little butter on the muffin because that's what the recipe book suggested to do, and see how it tastes. So how does it taste, Grandpa?
Tastes delicious, Ma. Good job.
Can you taste the fruit cocktail?
Yeah, I can taste the fruit.
That's good.